Hi friends, welcome to another episode of RNN blog. Today we'll be covering one of the popular roadside eateries in Behala, Bahadur Road, Handi Food Court. Handi Food Court offers a variety of Mughlai, Chinese, tandoor and rolls with their AC restaurant on first floor and their takeaway counter on the ground. The location is very prompt as James Long Sarani is on the right side and Behala 14 numbers bus stand is on its left. So friends, let's go in. Friends, inside there is a kitchen and as you can see they are preparing for the takeaways as well as their restaurant. Among the prominent Mughlai dishes you can see the biryani and the tandoor items, although their specialty is Chinese. We will take the stairs to reach their restaurant, which is air conditioned. The place is quite cozy and can offer seating arrangement for 20 persons at a time. There are pictures and wall hangings and the decoration is very simple with adequate lighting and one will definitely feel comfortable sitting and enjoying their dishes. The carved windows offer you a complete view of the Bahadur Road and one can enjoy sitting next to the window. They are open every day from 12 noon till 11 pm and they offer free home delivery within a radius of 2 km. They also accept all form of digital transactions and party orders are also accepted by them. Follow the address and the Google Map location in the description section of this video. Their menu cards offer a wide selection at reasonable price. We ordered one plate steamed chicken momo which cost us rupees 100, one plate of vegetable fried rice costing rupees 110 and a plate of garlic fish which cost us rupees 170. The chicken momo is a Tibetan dish having a super soft outer covering made up of refined flour and stuffed with generous amount of minced chicken. It is served with a sweet chili garlic dip and a bowl of chicken and vegetable broth. The filling have generous amount of chicken into it and it tastes really awesome. One plate chicken momo contains 6 pieces and it's quite filling for 2 person. The accompanied broth contains a variety of vegetables like onion, cabbage, spring onions, and coriander, and is having chunks of chicken in it. To the next we have the vegetable fried rice, which is a Chinese style of basmati rice dish fried well along with the veggies like beans, carrots, capsicum, spring onion, greens in Chinese sauces like soy sauce and vinegar. The quantity in a plate is quite adequate for 2% and the taste is good. Along with the rice, we have the garlic fish, which is a flavorful delicacy made from boneless basa or vetki and is tossed in a gravy of soy sauce, tomato sauce, chopped garlic, and spring onion greens. In one plate, they offer 6 pieces, which is quite filling for 2 persons.